The Energy Bills discount scheme will run for 12 months from April 1st, 2023. It's a replacement for the Energy Bill Relief Scheme. The scheme is open to non-domestic contracts that were signed on or after December 1st, 2021, as well as variable, out of contract and deemed rates. There's no need to apply. If you're eligible for the scheme, your supplier will automatically apply the discount. If your business falls into the energy trade intensive industries category, then it works a little bit differently and you will need to apply. You can find out more at the government website. But the main thing to remember is that this is not a business energy price cap. It's a discount on business energy unit rates. Here's how it works. There's a maximum discount that the government will apply to your unit rates, and there's also a threshold level that your rates can't go below under the terms of the scheme. If your unit rate is already below the government threshold, then you won't be eligible for the discount. Let's say you're paying 32p per kilowatt hour of electricity. This is your unit rate. This is the government threshold rate, which is about 30p. So in this case, you'll get the full 2p discount and pay 30p per kilowatt hour. But what if you're paying 31p? Well, in that case, you'll just get a 1p discount, as this will be enough to take you down to the government threshold rate. But what if your unit rate's higher? Let's say you're paying 33p per kilowatt hour. In that case, you will still get the full 2p discount, but the rate you're paying will still be higher than the government threshold rate. That's why it's still important to compare business energy quotes and get the best possible deal.